What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. Today's video, we're going to take a look at and talk about some of my favorite trading books revolved around Fibonacci. I hope you are all having a great day. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Join the Trading Learning 101 community where we all grow as traders and investors. And if you're interested in more videos related to the topic Fibonacci, be sure to check out my Fibonacci playlist. I currently have 4 videos in this playlist and I plan on adding more in the future. I will leave a link to this playlist down in the video description below. Alright, let's jump into the video and talk about books related to Fibonacci and the wonderful world of Fibonacci trading. My favorite books revolved around Fibonacci and Fibonacci trading. I have 3 of them I want to talk about in this video. All 3 of these books helped me out a lot along my trading journey. The very first Fibonacci trading book that I ever got is Fibonacci Analysis by Constance Brown, brought to you by Bloomberg Market Essentials Technical Analysis. My first couple years getting into day trading and learning about the stock market, this was one of the first books that I've picked up. In this book, you're going to find a lot of basic Fibonacci concepts, from retracements, projections, a brief history of Fibonacci, the importance of the numbers and the retracements of Fibonacci. Is this book a must own? I'm going to say no, because this book is more geared towards beginners. And yeah, you can add it to your collection if you want, but you don't need to. So I would say if you're just starting out and learning about Fibonacci and you want to dip your toes and see what it's about, I would recommend this book to see if Fibonacci interests you at all. And then the next book I want to talk about is Fibonacci Trading: How to Master Time and Price Advantage by Carolyn Borden. This is my #1 favorite Fibonacci trading book. This book goes into so much detail about the different Fibonacci trading strategies that are out there, with examples, many examples of the different ways you can use Fibonacci. I'm talking Fibonacci retracements, Fibonacci projections, Fibonacci clusters, Fibonacci time zones, trading strategies you can use with Fibonacci, determining entry and exits using Fibonacci. This was a really wonderful and great book by Carolyn Borden. It is a bit of a lengthy book. I have a copy of it right here. You guys can't really see it with the green screen effect that I have going on, but I do have a physical copy of this book, just as I have a physical copy of the first book that I've mentioned. It's just the green screen effect, I can't really get it to show up that well. That's why I have these images up and showing you guys as I'm talking about this. But there are many examples in this book. Like I got one pointed out right here with charts, and she's got explanations with the charts of what she's looking at. Many examples. Maybe a bit too many examples, because it did get tiring with all the examples she was giving, but she was just trying to get her explanation across of what she was talking about, and using many different examples. She did a very good job with that. The #1 trading book that I would highly recommend is this book right here. It's a must-have if you're serious about getting into Fibonacci trading, and a must-own. And you can also follow Carolyn Borden Twitter. She's got a Twitter account. You can follow her on YouTube. Just simply type in her name and she's gonna pop up all over on YouTube. They consider her the Fibonacci Queen, and she knows what she's talking about. She's very good with Fibonacci. And then the last book I want to mention and talk about is Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets: A Comprehensive Guide to Trading Methods and Applications by John J. Murphy. This is like the Bible, the encyclopedia for the stock market when it comes to technical analysis. I'm bringing this book up in this Fibonacci video because throughout this book, he brings up Fibonacci several times. And I also have a book of it myself. It's a very, very, very thick book. Over 500 pages of all kinds of stuff in this book. If you want to learn more about technical analysis, what indicators are out there, trading strategies, psychology. If you want to take technical analysis more seriously, this is a must own book. And one more thing I want to point out before I leave. If you're on your iPad or your phone and you go to the bookstore and type in Fibonacci trading, you're going to see all kinds of just random Fibonacci books pop up. I'm going to personally say stay away from those types of books, especially if they're books that are around 100 pages, 150 pages long. All they really are people who really don't know what they're talking about. And remember, anybody can write a book and publish it, and you have these gurus out there just writing books and pumping it out there to their sheep just for another revenue source of income. The books that I've mentioned in this video are backed up by other traders and history. They've been around for a while, and many people regard to these books as great books. If you personally know about or know of any great Fibonacci trading books, leave them in the comments down below. I would be interested to hear what you would all have to say and recommend. I'm always open to learning something new. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up. It lets me know you guys are liking the content I'm putting out. Again, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, join the Trading Learning 101 community where we all grow as traders and investors. And until next time, everybody, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Be sure to check out that Fibonacci playlist. I hope you all have a great day. Later.
The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?